So I sent this 8,000-pound trailer jack and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. This is a side winder here with a side attachment. They're going to give you, boy, it's heavy. They're going to give you all the attaching hardware you're going to need. In this case, I'm going to use it on this shredder. So I'm going to attach it to the side here so that way I can unhook it from the tractor and keep it standing up. It's got a nice metal foot that's beveled up on the corners. Very large retaining pin there with a snap ring to hold it in place. And your hand crank here. It's all integrated into one unit, welded throughout, really well made, and just solid steel. Everything on this here is steel. So let's get this installed and see how it works. I was sent this 8,000-pound trailer jack and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So here's everything you're going to get. It is completely made out of steel. It's all welded throughout, really strong. The foot on the bottom here is beveled up on the corners so it won't get snagged, really nice. Slides down, it's got a holding pin there with a retaining clip around it. Got a chain so you don't lose the pin. Comes with all the hardware you're going to need to attach it. In this case here, I'm going to attach it to this shredder so that way I can detach it from the tractor without having any issues. So let's get this installed and we'll see how it works. All right, so we're all installed. It's on there solid. And now what we can do is we can take this pin out here. And then drop this down. Get it a little closer to the ground like that. Secure that. And now with the hand crank, I can just lower it, put pressure on the device, and start to lift it all the way up. So yeah, really easy setup, super handy if you've got a pull trailer and you've got to have that foot on the front so that you can disconnect your vehicle from it. This is the kind of thing you want. Now just release some of the pressure. Remove my pin and I can pick it up here. And then take some of the slack up so I don't have to crank it quite as much. And I can do the rest here by hand. So I get as much ground clearance as I need under the foot. So that's it. Hope that helped learn a little bit more about this 8,000-pound heavy-duty trailer jack. This is from Kohree. Makes some really good stuff, and this thing here is no exception. Definitely recommend. Hope that helps. Have a great day.